Good morning, applicant.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
Hello, I am Charlene May Sevilla Ballares. I'm 27 years old. I am single. Also, I'm a college graduate, and my father age is 47 and my mother age is 56. And I'm eldest in the family.
Do you have a working experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines with 2 years finished contract there are three people in the family and my duties is taking good care of the child, cooking and cleaning.
Why do you intend to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to save money and to my future and to my family also. And if you work in Hong Kong, they can pay you as a high salary.
How was your experience in your previous employer?
They are nice and good to me. They treat me as they're part of their family.
As domestic helper, what are your main duties and responsibilities?
My main duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, vacuum, and taking good care of the child.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook, but I'm willing to cook Chinese foods.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
The appliances that can I operate is oven, washing machine, iron, vacuum, and rice cooker.
How can you take good care of young children or baby?
Well, I will feed them with healthy nutrition, playing, and offer them story time.
Will you pinch or hit them if they are naughty?
No, mom.
Can you tell me possible reason why the baby cries?
The possible reason is maybe hungry, sleepy, or not feeling well.
If your employer, child, baby is not feeling well, what will you do?
I will check the body temperature and I will call immediately my employer and consult to the doctor.
How can you manage the household chores and the baby?
Well, I wake up early in the morning and while the baby is sleeping, I will do the household works.
How can you handle homesickness?
Well, I make myself busy and I have free time, I will call my family.
What is your final message to your prospective employer?
To my future employer, I hope you choose me because I'm a hardworking person and I'm willing to do all the tasks that you're given to me. Thank you and have a great day.